Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, transitioning into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, keeping your shoulders down and back. When you're ready, begin to point and flex through your left hand, bending at your wrist, waking up the energy of your wrist and hand. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth. When you're ready, begin to point and flex through your right hand, bending at your wrist. Release and return to center. Continue breathing deeply as we transition into seated sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations, creating more mobility and flexibility through your right foot and ankle. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Pausing, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Lift your torso to upright. Keep your right foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your left hand to gently draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your right arm back and open to the right, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer thigh and hip. Slowly unwind and return to center, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Pausing, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Keep your left foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your right hand to draw your left knee in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open to the left, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh and hip. Slowly unwind and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, creating more mobility in your joints. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, stretching through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy of your foot and ankle. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest, opening through your front body. Adding a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, chest, shoulders, neck, and spine. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.